Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. First thing I need to say is, this isn't the video I was planning to do today. I had another video queued up to review some lights as a follow-up to a series I'm doing, and I'm gonna do that. I haven't posted many videos, and when I thought about which video to do next, because I'm doing fewer of them, I came up with the idea for this video. I think it's more important. And I think it's more important because of you. I've been posting many fewer videos for a variety of reasons I'll get to in a minute. You can tell I don't have a script for this. I don't even really have an outline. I wanted to just talk to my subscribers today, you. And I want to thank you because in the absence of me posting videos over the last few weeks, the channel's still growing. And I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. I take it very seriously that people subscribe to this channel. This is not my means of income. Yeah, it makes a little money. Anything in life today has got to pay for itself or you won't find time to do it. As you know, I run a studio and I'm very busy right now. I've been having a lot of work over the last couple of months, and that's the right problem to have. Excuse me. I've also been a little sick. I'm getting over it. Nothing serious, just that's another reason I haven't. It's been sort of a perfect storm. I wanted to do this video next. First, to thank you for supporting this channel, supporting the content. It means a lot to me, and it tells me that I'm doing something that's desired. I mean, we're getting near 8,000 subscribers. In YouTube terms, that's really small, but I never really knew what was going to happen with this channel when I started it. I just knew that I have a fair amount of experience in photography, and I enjoy teaching. And given my schedule and professional life, this is about the only way I can indulge that and pass on some little nuggets of information that I've learned over the years. Let's talk about the future. What does this mean going forward? I'm doing a couple of new things with my studio, which is taking my time, but it's also a big passion of mine, so I'm not going to really deny it. I've always painted. I've never talked about that on this channel. It probably doesn't interest you, but I've begun doing oil-painted portraits in an adjunct to my photography. Yeah, that's not something I'm going to talk about on this channel. If you have an interest in it, drop some comments and I'll give you some links to it and we can move that discussion to the side. But what I want to talk about now is, what do you want to see from me more of going forward? And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to look at my analytics of the channel and let you know what is popular on the channel. It may not be a surprise to you. It may be a surprise to you. Sometimes it's a little bit of a surprise to me. So let me bring up my analytics here. And let's have a look at this. So my number one popular video is when, why, and how to do on-camera flash. I'll be honest with you, I never thought that was going to be a big topic. I never thought that there were that many photographers who are really doing on-camera flash. Apparently I'm wrong. Is that something you'd like more of? I certainly can do more on it. Going down, let's see. I apologize for my voice. It's not doing well the last few days. Another one is an exposure method for off-camera flash. I know I do a lot of flash, and I kind of feel like a lot of people are always looking to do flash better. And I know how hard that can be when you just don't have it in your head how to do it. So I'd love to hear from you on that too. EF versus RF, that's kind of an old video, but it's still really popular. I didn't know that was a big discussion point out there. More off-camera flash, a couple of lens reviews, and going down for a few different things. So Those are the highlights of what's popular on the channel, what's getting the most views, and I have to pay attention to that, otherwise the channel will die. Okay, so let's talk about what drives content on YouTube channels. I'm not going to rabbit hole here into YouTube, but as part of the conversation between me and my subscribers, I need to let you know what I see, what YouTube channel operators see. And one of the things I'm seeing is a lot of offers to review gear. And what do I do? I probably only accept 10% of what I actually get to review gear. A lot of it just makes no sense, right? I mean, people send things in that they want me to collaborate on or review. That makes no sense, and I'm not doing that. I've never wanted this to be a gear review channel, and it is not going to be that. However, if it's a piece of gear that I think myself that I would use, I will do it. So the reviews that you have seen have been gear that are actually in my studio or in my bags that actually works and sings for its supper. So going forward, again, I'm looking for guidance from you. I have had many comments on many videos of things that people would like, and I appreciate that. I haven't seen a lot of trends in terms of many people saying X, Y, or Z other than my analytics. My analytics are telling me what people are coming to the channel for. Is that what you're here for? If it's not what you're here for, I would invite you, and I mean this. I have email addresses available on the channel. I have a mailing list. I have a business. Let me know what you would like to see. I have private coaching if that's something you're interested in too. I just offered that as a way to deep dive, which I cannot do on the channel. It's not something I'm living and dying for. If it's something you'd be interested in, let me know. I want to close with saying thank you again. It means the world to me that you find the content valuable. And I hope this video will open up a dialogue going forward to help me, since I'm doing fewer videos, to make better and more relevant videos for what you're here for. Thank you so much. Until the next video, cheers.